Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP Calculus AB multiple choice questions. First, understand the exam format, which includes 45 questions to be completed in 105 minutes. It's crucial to practice with official College Board materials to get familiar with the question types. Always focus on a deep conceptual understanding of the topics, rather than just memorizing formulas. This approach will build a strong foundation for success. Next, it's essential to master all the key concepts covered in AP Calculus AB. This includes limits, derivatives, integrals, and their various applications. After taking practice tests, carefully analyze your results to pinpoint your weakest areas. Once identified, dedicate extra study time to those challenging concepts and specific problem types. Strengthening these areas will significantly boost your confidence and score. Practice is paramount for the multiple choice section. Complete full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. Aim to allocate approximately 2 minutes per question to manage your time effectively and avoid rushing. Develop strategies to quickly eliminate incorrect answer choices, which will significantly improve your accuracy. Consistent practice builds speed and confidence. For your final review, meticulously analyze every practice question. Understand not just the correct answer, but also why the incorrect options are wrong. Consider creating a concise formula sheet with key theorems and common derivative and integral rules for quick reference. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest and maintain a positive mindset before the exam. You've prepared well, so trust your knowledge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.